Markets are set to open in the green today, and there are two deals in play that could move this market much higher. Let's have a look at today's market setup. It's May the 2nd, and we're within 45 of the opening bell. So first things first, the economic calendar this morning, non-farm payroll reported, did come in better than expected, but still a fall from previous reporting. We also had average hourly earnings reported, and those also missed the mark and actually fell below expectations. So definitely not a positive there, especially with all the other economic numbers we've seen this week. But employment in the U.S. remains steady at 4.2%. Now, let's have a look at the markets where we're seeing, again, more positivity here. U.S. 30 is currently up 362 points. The 500's up 53 in tech, currently up 186. Now, one of these major deals we need to talk about here is the Ukrainian mineral deal with the United States. So the United States would be entitled to a percentage of Ukrainian mineral assets that's pulled out of the ground. Now, there's also a reconstruction fund that is being established by the U.S. And let's face it, a lot of this, although might be touted as being from the proceeds of the mineral assets, in reality, it's definitely going to be coming from U.S. taxpayers. Not to mention, there's still no resolve to this war with Russia. In fact, the U.S. is going to help establish defense systems in the Ukraine, and that is just going to keep pumping more money by the Fed. But let's have a look at our confirming indicators because we're talking about minerals. Gold, silver continue to move higher today, while crude does slip a little bit further. Now, looking at currencies, the US dollar is in the red, about 38 basis points, still below 100, although we did have an uptick yesterday. And if we have a look at the 10-year yield this morning, up over 1% already. Crypto, pretty well right across the board. We're seeing a majority of crypto in the red. There are a few green ticks there, but I anticipate that this is probably going to be a little bit of the case throughout the day. Now, the other potential deal is a potential trade tariff deal with China that we definitely want to keep an eye on. Talks are being reported, but we're not getting too many details as of this recording, but I will definitely keep you up on the pulse of that one. But for now, I'll see you at the opening bell.